This isn't about crypto. You want to crash currencies to get rich?
We're 20 most powerful world leaders together. Going dark in 3, 2, 1.
The global elites have you exactly where they want you.
When we launch Project Deepfake, we will reset the world's financial markets. Now we control the narrative.
And what's interesting here, too, Emily, is that it's important to remember there's a bit of a war in Washington going on when you think about cryptocurrency.
It's uncertain to me how high these conspiracies go.
You've made it impossible for a company with revenue exceeding $7 billion to do business with us.
No phone number, no email, just 10 million in cryptocurrencies.
We have a serious problem here. I'm pretty sure the Russian mafia is laundering money through the Omni branch here.
That's why you terrorize the world and crash markets?
We want to switch to cryptocurrency so that...
Why crypto when fintech does the job? In the US, we already have digital payments at scale to some degree. Bitcoin and frankly, blockchain more broadly is not the solution to these problems.
It has never been a safe investment. It has always been a risky place to put your cash.
Sounds like basically perception is one thing, but then when you kind of peek behind the curtain, the reality is something else entirely.
And the reality is they lied to you. While major news outlets and Hollywood films like the G20 painted cryptocurrencies as risky and downright criminal, and even the CEOs of the world's largest banks warned you to stay clear, they were quietly scooping up crypto behind the scenes.
He mentioned Bitcoin. You said you didn't know what we were talking about. We pretty much always have some crypto conversation with you. I'm just curious because I don't think we've talked to you since.
I think all that's been a waste of time, and why you guys waste any breath on it is totally beyond me.
Because you just think the whole thing just is
going to zero.
Going to zero and it's fake.
Bitcoin itself is a hyped up fraud.
On September 12th, Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin is a fraud. He says he'll fire any one of his traders buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops 24%. When Jamie Dimon speaks, people listen. So that weekend, we found out that the largest buyer of a Bitcoin fund that's in Europe, the largest buyer was Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan. And that's not illegal.
He says it's a fraud.
It says he'll fire anyone that buys it. Yes.
And at the same time, his company is buying it.
His company is buying it.
It's just, so unethical.
The world's largest billionaires and governments have been piling into crypto. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, who controls over $10 trillion in assets under management, flipped from a crypto skeptic to a believer.
Is it true that you're building out a cryptocurrency capability?
No.
Don't your clients want crypto exposure?
No, I don't believe any client has sought out crypto exposure.
Really?
Yes. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate. It is an instrument when you believe that countries are debasing their currency, debasing their currency by excess deficits. And so I'm a major believer that there is a role for Bitcoin in portfolios. I believe you're going to see that as one of the asset classes that we all look at. I look at it as digital gold, as I said before.
Now, for those of you that don't know, BlackRock owns massive amounts of equity in companies that run the world like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, Visa, Tesla, you name it. And they even control the news stations such as Fox, CNN, MSNBC, telling you what to buy. And now they are all in on crypto. On top of that, the president of the United States, the leading world power, just announced a strategic crypto reserve and is promising the American people to make the USA the crypto capital of the world. But here's the deal. This may very well be your last shot at big money before the train leaves the station, because what's happening right now in the crypto market is comparable to what happened back during the gold rush. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what we've built at Altcoin Pro University that will reveal how you can crack the code to crypto to create generational wealth, even when the market's crashing, without needing years of trading experience, a big budget, or a fancy brand. Just look at Eric, a crypto newbie who joined Altcoin Pro University and turned $85,000 into over $305,000 with what he learned. Or Aid, who paid off a chunk of his mortgage with $62,000 in portfolio profits. How about Yoni, who erased $260,000 in medical school debt, and now he's sharing his top DeFi strategies with you as a part of our research team. Now let's get real here. Anyone can teach you how to make money during a bull run. You could simply just blindfold yourself and pick any project and play, pin the tail on the donkey, because virtually everything goes up during a bull market. But what do you do when everything is crashing? You need a proven strategy that works during bear markets as well. And you're not alone. You are in the right place. Every single successful client that we have worked with over the years has started by doing exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video. They had no clue what altcoins to pick. They had no idea how to profit when the market tanked. They didn't know how to time trades or know when to buy or when to sell. They didn't know how to avoid crypto scams, and they were stuck watching their wallets shrink, second guessing every move and wondering if making money in crypto was just a pipe dream for them. But here's the good news. There's a way out, and it works for anyone, even if you're starting from scratch. And I'm not talking about people who just get lucky one time in crypto. They buy some meme coin and they make a bunch of money. Those people end up losing all of their money because they did not learn the skills to maintain it. What you're going to learn at Altcoin Pro University is how to create predictable success, because our research team has cracked the code to creating profits in crypto with 3 simple steps. But before we dive into how to grow your portfolio with these 3 steps and leverage our research team for your success, it's important you know who I am and why I'm qualified to help you avoid these costly mistakes so you can achieve the lifestyle of your dreams from a predictable crypto blueprint. My name is Nick Anderson, the founder of BULLRUNNERS, with over 350,000 subscribers on YouTube and a daily newsletter reaching nearly 50,000 investors. For over 8 years, my team and I have been creating daily content to educate traders worldwide, and after seeing people struggle in crypto firsthand and receiving thousands of messages and comments asking for our top altcoin picks, I decided to launch Altcoin Pro and team up with Ryan Horst, whose experience in crypto is unmatched. Ryan has spoken all over the world about crypto and blockchain and had one of the first Web3 education companies in the world, and together we've assembled the best research team for you and improved everything over the past few months inside of our crypto education company called Altcoin Pro University. And just in our first month of launching, we've helped over 1,000 investors solve major problems that they've been going through in crypto and achieve massive results with proven solutions like our 100+ expert curated classes, live weekly calls with crypto experts, and daily market updates inside of Altcoin Pro University from our dedicated research team. And in this video, you'll discover how to maximize your opportunity in crypto while minimizing your downside to become a top 1% investor. So step number 1 is to spot the winners early. Our research team called Pendle at 16 cents right before it did over a 40x to $6.70 at the peak. Our team called Solana at the bottom around $8, and at the peak, it hit $256. They called BitTensor Tau before it even launched, which peaked at over a $5 billion market cap, making a lot of our students very wealthy. And a lot of these other altcoins that our team pointed out early made some of our members millionaires. Now, most private communities out there only have a Discord group that provides you with altcoin picks that force reliance on them, where they get early token allocation to sell on you as their exit liquidity, costing you everything. So inside of Altcoin Pro University, beyond just giving you altcoin picks and giving you fish, we actually teach you how to fish. Right when you get started, you'll gain instant access to over 100 expert curated crypto classes with our comprehensive library crafted by industry pros, where you'll dive deep into courses like our altcoin research methodologies. That way you can fully understand how to decode tokenomics and track whale wallets to spot the next big winners across every sector, like artificial intelligence, decentralized finance, meme coins, real world assets, you name it. That way you can get in before the masses do, because the key to success in crypto is simple. It's being early, and it's knowing where the liquidity is flowing to first. With our crypto foundations, you'll grasp the blockchain basics that sharpen your edge if you're already experienced in the markets, or if you're just starting out and you want to know the key differences between some fundamental crypto terms. And with our ironclad crypto security strategy, you're going to learn how to secure your crypto wallets against scams and hacks, and understand what are the best hardware, cold storage, offline wallets to be able to store your crypto on. And right when you get started, you'll learn exactly how to pinpoint what makes certain altcoins take off and explode, utilizing on-chain wallet trackers for huge gains, and you'll understand how to read markets in real time with a predictable strategy that you can apply over and over and over again when researching any altcoin. Now, step number 2 is earning passive rewards, even in a bear market, because when you tap into our endless airdrop strategy, which shows you how to claim free money in crypto airdrops. Yes, crypto companies, they give away free tokens just for utilizing their platforms, and our research team shares them with you that you would not be able to find all on your own, using tools like DeFi Llama and CryptoRank to target the best opportunities. Then with our diving into DeFi lessons, you'll access yields from staking and liquidity pools that grow your portfolio steadily. And right when you join, you'll learn how to secure airdrops effectively and generate consistent DeFi returns, adding real value to your wallet no matter the market conditions, whether the markets are going up, consolidating sideways, or going down in a bear market. A lot of the strategies that our research team teaches are the exact same techniques that large institutions like Coinbase are already implementing to make money with your money, but they're paying you a fraction of the earnings. Now, step number 3 is nailing your entry and exits. Finally, you can lock in profits with our technical analysis essentials training on the charts, where you'll receive over-the-shoulder training on how to understand moving averages, trends, plus live weekly calls with our crypto experts breaking down the crypto market in real time. Right when you join today, you'll learn how to time your trades precisely, knowing when to buy low, when to sell high, so you don't have to do the guesswork and round trip your bags, holding all the way through the bull market peak and then getting liquidated or selling at the bottom lower than when you bought. I want you to imagine building a multi-million-dollar crypto portfolio that gives you the freedom to travel the world, taking trips whenever you want, paying for your family to fly out with you. Picture yourself island hopping virtually every single island in the Bahamas, traveling to Italy, Portugal, Africa, Dubai, Bali, Hawaii, Switzerland, you name it. Picture yourself owning your dream car without having to worry about how much it costs. All thanks to the crypto secrets that you'll unlock inside of Altcoin Pro University. And here's the kicker. Once you're in, you can earn 20% passive recurring commissions just by sharing your affiliate link with others that are interested in crypto, turning your success into a side income or even a full-time income that grows every single month. What would it be worth to you if you had a professional research team in your back pocket that costs tens of thousands of dollars per month to watch the markets 24/7 for you and warn you of different scams in crypto, along with providing you with under-the-radar altcoin picks, airdrop alerts, and technical analysis on your favorite projects, along with answering every single question that you have about the crypto market. That way you don't have to worry about missing out on key opportunities right under your nose, all for only $97 a month. The same research team that's already been battle tested by over 1,000+ investors just like you. Now, if that's something that you're looking for, what I want you to do right now is click the link below this video, and that's going to take you to another page, and you're going to be able to join Altcoin Pro University immediately for only $97 a month. And you're going to gain instant access to our research team to solve your crypto struggles. That way you can grow your portfolio today. And if you jump in with our annual plan at just $970, you're going to be able to save $194 off the monthly rate, and you're going to unlock 3 exclusive bonuses. First, our 2-hour portfolio deliberations training, showing you how to build a winning portfolio coin by coin. This is exactly what our research team looks at when identifying what are the top projects to add to our crypto portfolio. Second, our crypto tax mastery course, which is a 13 video training series from our certified CPAs and tax planning experts. That way you can keep more of your profits and understand how to leverage the #1 crypto tax tracking software in the world to be able to organize your crypto taxes in less than 20 minutes. And third, live event recordings from our recent Las Vegas Altcoin Pro Connect event, where attendees paid thousands of dollars to attend to gain access to insider strategies that you're going to get immediately with the recordings right when you click the link below right now to join Altcoin Pro University as an annual member. And maybe you hear the sirens in the backdrop. I'm filming this video from my condo out here in Miami, Florida. It's pretty chaotic out here because I live downtown, but sirens generally mean warning. So if you feel a little cautious right now about getting started for only $97 or joining as an annual member to unlock those 3 bonuses, I completely understand. That's why we want to remove all risk from the table for you, because if you're unhappy for whatever reason, or you just simply don't get results, we have a 14-day money-back guarantee where all you need to do is contact our support team at the email that you see on the screen right now, and we'll refund 100% of your money within your first 14 days. I'm not asking you to buy, I'm asking you to give Altcoin Pro University a try. That way you don't have to live your life wondering, what if you could have achieved results like Dylan, who got a $20,000 airdrop and was able to book a trip to Italy? Or Julian, who made over $23,000 in 1 week after applying what he learned from our technical analysis training. Even Neil, who started with only $6,000 and grew his portfolio to over $100,000 from what he learned after joining Altcoin Pro University. So the worst case scenario is you get started right now, you spend 14 days running through everything, and if you decide it's not for you, you at least leave knowing more than you know right now, and you avoid potential regrets of inaction. And the best case scenario is for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per day, you learn how to maximize your opportunity in crypto while minimizing your downside, and you completely transform your life. So it's time, my friend, for you to break free from all of the struggles of figuring out all alone, scouring the internet, looking for solutions, joining Discord after Discord, because now you have the confidence to know exactly where to start, just like over 1,000 of our students did, just like you, after watching a video just like this, they clicked the link below to get instant access to Altcoin Pro University today. And if you're here to gain more influence, more respect, and more recognition from others, thanks to the knowledge that you'll acquire inside of Altcoin Pro University, then I want to congratulate you for taking the first step to building a rock-solid crypto portfolio that grows predictably and, best of all, profitably. So if massive success and abundance is what you want, then I want you to click the link below right now to get started, and I can't wait to see your results. I'll see you in the back office here shortly, right after you fill out the safe and secure order form on the other side. And as always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.